These words are extremely common in real English. Go from basic to advanced English. At the start of a word, over usually means too much, too many, or beyond a normal limit. In simple terms, more than necessary or expected. The first word is overcome. It means to successfully deal with a problem or difficulty. She overcame her fear of speaking English. The team overcame many challenges to win. The second word is overcrowded. The meaning is too full of people. The bus was overcrowded during rush hour. Hospitals become overcrowded in winter. Overstep, verb. Meaning to go beyond what is allowed, acceptable, or appropriate. He overstepped his authority by making the decision alone. The journalist overstepped ethical boundaries with that question. Now for the word overdo. Meaning to do something too much. Don't overdo the exercise on your first day. He overdid the salt in the soup. Next, a word many of us are guilty of. Overthink. Meaning to think too much about something. Try not to overthink small mistakes. She tends to overthink simple decisions. Now, overreact. Meaning to react more strongly than necessary. He overreacted to a minor problem. Don't overreact, it's not a big issue. The next word is overwork. It means to work too much. She overworked herself and became exhausted. Overworking can affect your health. Overestimate. Meaning to think something is more important, bigger, or better than it really is. He overestimated how easy the task would be. We often overestimate how much we can do in one day. Pause the screen and try to complete the sentences. Ready? Here are the answers. She managed to overcome her fear of public speaking. Try not to overdo it at the gym on your first day. The manager warned him not to overstep his authority. People often overestimate how much they can achieve in one day. If you overwork yourself for too long, you may get sick. He didn't mean to overreact, but his response was far too emotional.